Prince Nicholas Chukwujeku Ukachukwu, a name that resonates across Nigeria's business, political and philanthropic circles. To some, he is a visionary businessman, philanthropist and builder of dreams. To others, he is a controversial political figure haunted by allegations and financial disputes. Born into the respected family of Chief Nnadialo and Madam Loveline Ukachukwu in Osumeyi, Anambra State, young Nicholas began his journey with a strong educational foundation from Omaigwe Primary School to Dennis Memorial Grammar School, and later earning a bachelor's degree in business administration at the University of Calabar. Ukachukwu's early years shaped his entrepreneurial spirit. In 2016, his accomplishments were further recognized with an honorary doctorate in business administration from Tanzania University. From a humble beginning as an apprentice in his brother's company in Gombe, Ukachukwu built an empire. He founded SNE-COU Group Limited, a diversified conglomerate with interests in oil and gas, real estate and construction, education, agriculture, and media. Through these ventures, Nicholas Ukachukwu became one of Nigeria's most powerful real estate moguls. His Prince and Princess Estate in Abuja remains one of the biggest private housing estates in the country. But business success was only one side of the story. Ukachukwu also stepped boldly into politics. In 1999, he became the first executive chairman of Abuja Municipal Area Council, a remarkable feat for a non-indigene. That same year, he was elected to the House of Representatives, serving as chairman of the Committee on FCT and on Oil and Gas. Over the years, he contested for governorship in 2006 and 2010 under different platforms, and for Senate in 2019 under APGA. Now, in 2025, he is the APC governorship candidate for Anambra State.
Thank you, sir.
I beg, don't disturb me much.
No, the women are here. Is it?
No, it's a big deal.
I know that.
We are waiting for you for government.
Excellency. Excellency. Yes, sir. I'm the CSO, sir. Excellency. Service and greet you, sir, proper. What are the very excellence? I don't have any problem. No problem. Where is the law, man? No problem. Sir, anything you want to do for me? Sir, anything you want to do for me? This one. Don't worry. Sir, he's spending 10 years with me. He don't get problem. Case.
He His political journey reflects persistence, ambition, and a desire to play at the very top of Nigerian politics. Prince Nicholas Ukachukwu is also renowned for his philanthropy through his Ikukuoma Foundation. He has sponsored scholarships for indigent students. He has also donated 270 million naira to build hostels at Tangian University. Funded free medical outreach programs, created thousands of jobs through his enterprises. His mission has always been clear: to uplift his people and preserve Igbo culture and development. In his personal life, Ukachukwu has known both tragedy and new beginnings. In 2020, he lost his wife, Princess Nina, in a horrific car accident. Years later, he remarried. In December 2023, he tied the knot with Michelle Ihezue, Miss Universe Nigeria 2022, a union that attracted nationwide attention and admiration. But just as his political ambitions reached new heights, controversy struck. In 2025, videos emerged from the Transcorp Hilton Hotel in Abuja. Prince Nicholas Ukachukwu was confronted by men claiming he owed them 1 billion naira. The scene was chaotic, his wife and young son by his side, as creditors blocked his exit, insisting the debt must be repaid. It has been alleged that supporters of APGA quickly circulated the footage, alleging the debt was linked to election campaign funds. The APGA National Publicity Secretary, Dr. Ejimofo Okpara, went further, declaring it unfortunate that someone who cannot clear his debts is seeking to govern Anambra State. Public opinion is divided. Some believe Ukachukwu has been set up, noting his unusually calm demeanor during the confrontation. Others argue that the scandal is a devastating blow to his political ambition. So, who is Prince Nicholas Ukachukwu? He is a visionary businessman who transformed Nigeria's real estate landscape, a philanthropist who touched thousands of lives, as well as a politician whose ambitions are threatened by scandal and debt. As Anambra State prepares for its November 2025 governorship election, one thing is certain: the name Nicholas Ukachukwu will continue to spark debates, admiration, and controversy.
Yes, I am. I've been on 5 minutes of discourse and what do you want? How do people get the I told you I said I'm the last person who approached you.
At least 1 minute. You've had sitting with people for about how many minutes now? Not a minute with us would have been just a sitting.
No. I don't like what's going on here. Just move it up. I don't like what's going on. Can we put the camera down? Hold on, I told you, I said I'm the last person who approaches you. You should honor us, no matter how big you can be.
We've had sitting with people.
You should be able to talk to us.
Not a minute.
You should be able to talk to us.
I don't talk to us.
No. I don't like what's going on here.
Please, can you
I don't like what's going on here.
Can we put the cameras down?
Guys, I'll put the cameras down.
Drop the cameras, please.
We need to listen. Because they haven't lost time to the top from the roof. No, just 5 minutes.
This is super so just please drop the camera.
No, drop it.
Please drop it. You know whatever it is, please. You know the camera.
You want to run for governor and your own people. You are running for governor and your own people. Pay us our money. Anambra people reject you. Anambra people reject this man. His own people. Anambra people reject you. You're owing us 1 billion naira. You're owing us. You're owing us 1 billion naira. Pay us our money. Pay us our
we started this, you know how we greeted. But we only told him to give us a